Welcome to Choice Champions. The best chicken decor is probably one of the most charming and whimsical additions you can make to your home, garden, or even your office space, bringing a touch of rustic appeal and a dash of personality that's sure to bring a smile to anyone's face. Whether you're a seasoned collector of farm-themed items or simply looking for a unique way to liven up your surroundings, these delightful chicken decorations offer a versatile and eye-catching solution that can be adapted to suit a wide range of aesthetic preferences and functional needs, making them a fantastic choice for adding character and warmth to any environment. Number 5. Rooster Trinket Box, hand-painted enameled jewelry box. Discover this charming trinket box, meticulously crafted with colorful enamel and sparkling rhinestones. It's a beautiful piece designed to add a touch of elegance to any space. This piece features a convenient hinged opening, revealing a hidden compartment perfect for storing small treasures like rings, earrings, or even a few dollars. Looking for a unique gift? This delightful item makes a wonderful present for family and friends on birthdays, holidays, or just because. Adorned with crystals and vibrant hand-painted details, it serves as both a stunning decoration and a valuable addition to any collection. Measuring 10 centimeters in height and 8.5 centimeters in width, this small rooster adds significant charm without taking up too much space. It weighs approximately 220 g. What we like? This piece is a beautifully crafted trinket box, adorned with colorful enamel and sparkling rhinestones. If you're looking for a charming way to store small jewelry like rings or earrings, or if you appreciate hand-painted animal crafts as decorative collectibles, this is a fantastic choice. Its intricate design makes it a perfect gift for someone who loves unique home decor. What people say. The chicken decor is well made and has a charming design that adds a touch of whimsy to any garden or indoor space. The details on the chicken figures are intricate, from the feathers to the comb, making them look lifelike and artistic. These chicken decorations are surprisingly durable and have withstood various weather conditions without fading or damage. Number 4. Farmhouse Chicken Salt and Pepper Shakers. Bring a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen with this delightful salt and pepper shaker set. The charming chicken design adds a country feel to any dining experience. Each piece is individually handcrafted from durable cold cast resin, ensuring a unique addition to your decor. The classic rooster motif evokes a warm, old-fashioned atmosphere. This set not only serves as a charming decoration but also keeps your salt and pepper readily accessible. It's a perfect blend of style and practicality for your kitchen counter. Looking for a unique gift? This rustic shaker set makes an ideal present for farmers, country enthusiasts, or anyone who appreciates farmhouse style. It's a thoughtful and charming choice. Made with attention to detail, this set features glass shakers and a sturdy holder. Please note that slight variations in color may occur due to the handcrafted nature of the product. Measuring 6 by 4 by 7 inches and weighing 1.4 pounds, this set is a substantial yet charming addition. Spices are not included, allowing you to fill them with your favorite seasonings. What we like? This set brings a touch of rustic charm to your dining table with its unique chicken and old-fashioned water pump design. If you love farmhouse aesthetics or are looking for a functional yet decorative item for your kitchen, this is ideal. It's perfect for those who enjoy country-style decor and want a charming way to serve seasonings. What people say. The chicken decor is a charming addition to any garden or home. It is made of durable metal that can withstand outdoor elements. The intricate details and vibrant colors make it a standout piece. Number 3. Artlunar Funny Garden Sign. Looking for a unique gift for the gardener in your life? This humorous metal sign is a fun accessory that adds laughter to any outdoor space. It's perfect for those who appreciate a good joke. Crafted from durable aluminum, this sign is built to last. It's designed to withstand the elements, ensuring its vibrant colors remain for seasons to come. It's an excellent addition to any garden. Setting up this sign is a breeze. With pre-drilled holes, you can easily hang it on fences, walls, or gates. It's a simple way to add personality to your backyard. Whether you need garden gifts for women, accessories, or a unique home decor item, this sign is a versatile choice. It suits a variety of tastes and preferences. Make any occasion special with this thoughtful present. It's a great gift for birthdays, anniversaries, or any day for someone who loves spending time in their garden. What we like? This is a fun and durable metal sign designed to add a touch of humor to any garden. If you're a gardening enthusiast who appreciates a good joke, or if you're searching for a unique gift for someone who loves to garden, this sign is a great pick. Its weather-resistant material and easy installation make it a lasting and enjoyable garden accessory. What people say. The Chicken Decor is a charming addition to any garden or home. It is made of durable metal and can withstand outdoor elements. The intricate details and vibrant colors make it a standout piece. Number 2. Crazysign Vintage Chicken Tin Sign 8 by 12 inches. Bring a touch of rustic charm and playful humor to any space with this unique vintage-inspired tin sign. Its versatile design fits perfectly in your home, farm, kitchen, or even your chicken coop. This sign is an ideal gift for anyone who adores farmhouse decor or has a special fondness for chickens. It adds a delightful touch to homes, farms, barns, and chicken coops alike. Crafted from high-quality tin, this piece is built to withstand the test of time. Its sturdy build ensures it maintains its rustic appeal whether displayed indoors or outdoors. Setting up this sign is incredibly simple thanks to its pre-drilled holes. You can quickly hang it on walls, fences, or any desired spot for an instant decor upgrade. Embrace a bit of light-hearted fun with this charming tin sign. It's a wonderful way to inject personality and a touch of country living into your chosen space. What we like. This vintage-style tin sign features a playful message that's sure to bring a smile, perfect for anyone who loves chickens or farmhouse decor. If you're looking to add a humorous and rustic touch to your home, farm, kitchen, or even a chicken coop, this is an excellent option. Its durable build and easy hanging make it a versatile piece for various spaces. What people say. The Chicken Decor is a charming addition to any garden or home. It is made of durable metal that can withstand outdoor elements. The intricate details and hand-painted finish give it a unique look. Number 1. Rooster Wooden Cooking Spoon Set. Are you a lover of farm and rooster themes? Then this set is perfect for you. These spoons are as useful as they are beautiful, adding a charming touch to your kitchen. Wake your family up with the smell of a home-cooked breakfast. These spoons will help you create delicious meals, making every morning special. Crafted from 100% natural bamboo, they preserve the original taste of your food without any plastic or metal flavor. Their solid, scratch-free construction is perfect for all your kitchen tasks. The bamboo material naturally protects your cookware from scratches. This ensures your pots and pans remain in excellent condition for a long time. This set includes 5 different utensils to meet all your cooking needs: a solid spoon, rounded fork, slotted spatula, and a mixing spoon. They are lightweight, durable, and feature a convenient hole for hanging. Designed with an elegant farmhouse rooster pattern, they provide a warm accent for your home kitchen. Let them bring a touch of rustic charm to your cooking space. Looking for a great gift? This set is ideal for chicken lovers, chefs, or anyone who appreciates unique kitchen decor. It's a perfect present for birthdays, housewarmings, holidays, and more. What we like. This set offers a collection of 5 natural bamboo cooking spoons, each featuring an elegant rooster design, perfect for adding a farmhouse touch to your kitchen. If you're a chicken lover, a fan of rustic kitchenware, or looking for a practical yet decorative gift for a home cook, this set is ideal. The bamboo material is gentle on cookware and ensures food retains its natural taste. What people say. The Chicken Decor is a charming addition to any garden or home. It is made of durable metal and can withstand outdoor elements. The intricate details and hand-painted finish make it a unique piece. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.